Beautiful. All right, stand up, please. We're gonna go into our first 4 core exercises. First one, we're gonna go elbow to opposite knee touch. So lace your fingers, put them behind your head. You guys ready? Here we go. Elbow to your knee. Here we go. And really suck your tummy in and exhale as you pull your knee up. Beautiful. Excellent. Give me more energy. Remember, every move counts. It's only 40-minute workout before we go into meditation, visualization, and goal setting. So make sure you give your all. Don't cheat yourself. You're not gonna cheat me. I can't check on you. You're only gonna cheat yourself if you're not giving your all. 4, 3, 2, and done. All right, next one we're gonna go into front lunge with a dumbbell twist. I hope you're ready. Grab your dumbbell. Again, you can always start with light dumbbell or no dumbbell at all, and just keep improving as you go on every week. As you get stronger, just pick up dumbbell then. You guys ready? Front lunge with a twist. Here we go. Make sure you breathe. Make sure you put nice twist in your core. Excellent. Keep on going. Guys, do you feel your core muscles engaging? Yep. Burning is good. Trust me. Keep on going. 20 more seconds. Just pay attention. Make sure your knee is not going further than your toes. That's the one thing with lunges. And try to bring your knee almost to the ground. Excellent. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. All right, hold your dumbbell in your hands. Grab your dumbbell with both hands nice and firm. Bring it up to this side right here. And we're gonna go that way. I'm gonna do wood chops. So what it's gonna look like, you're gonna step to the side, put it out, and bring it back in. You ready? Let's go. Here we go. Make sure you breathe. Again, you're putting that nice twist in your core. This is one of my favorite exercises. Growing up in Latvia, it's very handy knowing how to chop wood. Beautiful. Excellent. 20 seconds to go on this side. Then we're gonna switch to the other side. Beautiful. And notice Becky, she's doing without a dumbbell. She's still working, she's still engaging her abs. 5 seconds to go, guys. Beautiful, and done. Let's switch to the other side. Dumbbell up, ready, set, here we go. And make sure you breathe. Excellent. Nice and slow. Make sure you don't rush. It's not about speed, it's about execution. Beautiful. Excellent. 20 seconds to go. Beautiful. You guys getting tired yet? 10 seconds to go. Remember, this is just the beginning. Beautiful. A few more. And last one. And done. Excellent. Put your dumbbell to the side. We can go into mountain climbers. Get down. 1 foot forward. Ready, set. Ready? Let's go. Here we go. Beautiful. Keep on going. Keep on going. Beautiful. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. All right, guys, you already know the exercise. We're gonna repeat all 4 once again. You ready? First, we're gonna start, place your fingers behind your head. We're gonna start with elbow to knee touch. You ready? Here we go. Beautiful. So by now, it should be a lot easier or harder since the second time around. But at least you know the moves. Beautiful. Keep on going. Okay, let's check in here. Few pointers again, as I mentioned first time. It's all focused right here. As you drive that knee up to your elbow, we do that so you can engage your abdominal muscles. Gabby, how you doing? Your posture is incredible, beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, and done with that one. Now what I'd like you to do, grab a dumbbell. We're gonna do front lunges with dumbbell twist across the front leg. You guys ready? Set, here we go. Woo! Let's do this. I'm watching you at home. Don't cheat, don't grab a cup of coffee. Just stay with me. This is your time. Excellent. Yep. Beautiful. 20 seconds to go. Keep focusing on that twist. Make sure you're feeling your core muscles contracting. 10 more seconds, guys. Stay with me. Keep breathing. And last one. And we're done. Moving forward, wood chops. Dumbbell up. Feet almost together. Gonna go that way. Ready, set. Let's go. Beautiful. Excellent. Beautiful. How are you guys doing? All right. Woo! Perfect. Keep going. Keep going. She's putting beautiful twist. Where do you feel the most? In your core? In your core? How about legs? All right. Yes. You guys are hitting way more muscles than you think. And last one. And here we go. And done. Other side. So back to the other shoulder. Ready, set. Let's go. Beautiful. Woo. You know, a lot of people wish for nice abs. And there are a lot of quick fix products. I'm not promising you quick fix. Not at all. If you think it's gonna be easy, it's a lie. It's hard work, right guys? Hard work and dedication. Yep. That's right. Gonna help you with your baseball swing. It'll help you with everything you do. All right, 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. Okay, last one. And woo. All right, guys, ready for mountain climbers? Set 2. All right, get down on 4. Same thing at home. Get down, all 4. Bring it up, step forward with one foot. Ready, set. Let's go. Beautiful. Excellent. Good energy. Keep on going. Yeah, speed it up. Keep going. You can do it. Nice. Excellent. Woo! I can feel those abs just popping out and just fat shedding away. The same happening for you at home. Keep going. 12 seconds to go. I'm gonna jump in for the last few. Keep on going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Good news. It's water break. 30 seconds, guys. Make it quick. Have water. More exercises. Woo! Guys, I have enough time for high fives. Awesome. Woo! I high five you at home. You're doing an amazing job. Incredible. Just showing up. It's 80% of success. Showing up and starting. That's it. 4, 3, 2, and we're gonna go into push-ups to alternating bird dog. So get down on your 4, and we're gonna do push-up. And gonna lift opposite arm and leg. You guys ready? Here we go. Focus. This one really takes a lot of focus and balancing. So if you feel like it's really hard the way I do it, always come back here. She's doing it from her knees. It's a lot easier. You still feel it, right? Beautiful. Caroline, she's from my 60-day test group. She did amazing, created amazing results, not just physically. She quit her job and went after what she wants. So proud of her, so proud of her. Okay, guys, 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and moving on to the next exercise, which is called candlestick. So what do you want to do? Lying down on your back, hands out, palms down, about 45 degrees. Lift your feet up, and you're gonna push your toes towards the ceiling. You ready, guys? Woo! Let's go. Here we go. Beautiful. Straight up. Imagine the candle's lit, and you have to move gently so the fire doesn't go out. So keep going. And what Caroline is doing, she's adding a little twist. So that's eventually, if you want more challenge, just look at her. She's twisting her legs. Do you feel that difference? Yeah, really. She started out with regular ones, and then we added twist, because guys, there's gotta be progression. And Becky, she's doing easier version. So 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, guys, next we're gonna move to V rotation. So back, stay where you are, grab dumbbell. Your legs are bent. And what do you wanna do? And again, if you don't feel comfortable with dumbbells too heavy, do empty-handed. So back 45 degrees, and we're gonna do side to side. Ready? Here we go. Beautiful. Nice twist. Regular crunches, guys, not gonna get you six-pack. You have to target your entire core. Because your abs are smart. They figure out how to get by with just your regular crunches. They're like, this is a joke. Guys, how you doing? All right, keep sucking your tummy in. And if you're not feeling it, that means you need to lean back a little bit more. So you have to engage your abs. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and done.